We've just announced a very, very important discovery in the Golden Triangle of British Columbia. We announced the results of the first hole of our drilling program. We got 107 meters of 0.38% copper equivalent. That grade is in line with the other deposits in the Golden Triangle and producing mines in British Columbia. Now, we know that there's a lot more in this system yet to be tested. We base the drilling on geophysical results that were done by a previous operator years ago and a little bit of work that we did last year. And since we did that drilling program, we've conducted more geophysics, that is induced polarization or IP, in the area of the drill hole, and we filled in a big gap. And that geophysics has shown us that the initial drill hole is near but not in the heart of the system. And the results that we show align nicely with the geophysics. In the news release, there's a cross-section through the IP chargeability, and it shows dramatically how we're down the edge of the system. There's a very strong chargeability anomaly that we identified with the IP survey that we did in October. And so that hole is outside of the chargeability high. And the more important part of it is that the IP that we did over the summer, consolidated that with the earlier IP results, shows that we've got a 3-kilometer long chargeability high that runs through the middle of the dock zone. So there's a lot more material to be tested. We expect that there's potential within this system to get higher grades, and the information from this hole has put us in a very strong position to do the next phase of drilling, which will get going as soon as we can next season in the spring. So in summary, a very important discovery, good grade, long interval, and potential for there to be bigger grades, longer intervals, and a 3-kilometer trend that we see with the chargeability high. And we have seen evidence of copper and gold in the other drill holes that we've drilled along that 3-kilometer trend. So we're very excited by this. The results are good. I think some investors were expecting great, and there's potential for the next holes in this to achieve the great grades that some investors seem to be expecting. But anybody that understands geology will recognize that this hole, being the third hole in a very significant, the 3-kilometer long trend, to hit this kind of grade over this width this early in the program is a very, very important discovery. It's a great success. We're absolutely delighted with the results, and geologists that look closely at this are going to recognize that this is a very, very important discovery. We've got 3 more holes to release. We'll be getting the results of that over the next few weeks. First thing in the new year, we'll have follow-on news releases with further drill results. And as I say, this is a very significant discovery. And we've got a lot more results that we'll have coming out early in the new year.